Okay, it's that time again. We've already had 2 new iPhones. Now we got 2 more new iPhones. We have a Max and a Mini, and we're going to do a little unboxing today and see what we got in here. I'm Jefferson Graham, really excited about the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, the one with the bigger pixels and the bigger zoom range. Oh boy, let's see. We got a lot of stuff in here. Let's open it up and ooh, made it kind of tight. Made it hard to open up. Let's see. There's one new iPhone. And we got some cases in here too. And here's another new iPhone. As you can tell, Mini and a Max. This is the iPhone 12 Mini, starts at $700, and this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which starts at $1,100. Notice that I say starts at, because the long way to go if once you start adding memory and cases and Apple Care and things like that. Okay, so that's what she looks like when we open up the box. Open it up, we have a little white piece of paper here, take that off, shiny new iPhone, and in the box, a charging cable, and that's it. And now, let's open up the Mini. There's the Mini. Not much there. Let's see. A lot smaller. I think people are going to really like this Mini. It's like the iPhones of old. For the people who like a small one, this may be a little big for people. With the Mini, you get that classic compact size and that beautiful new screen that's said to be 4 times less likely to crack, as well as 2 camera lenses, wide and ultra wide. On the Max, 3 camera lenses. You get wide, ultra wide, and telephoto, 65 millimeter, which is a lot bigger than on the 12 Pro. 52 millimeter gets you closer to the action, better in low light, and bigger image pixels. I can't wait to take this camera out tonight and check it out in low light. I'll be back at you next time with a full-scale camera review. I'm Jefferson Graham. Look for me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, where I'm at Jefferson Graham. Please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you on the next photo walk. Bye.